Thanks for purchasing this basic gig, and in this video I will show you how to use this template. So before using this template you require a data. So collect your all data and place them in this blank Excel sheet, and this is the PowerPoint template I will provide you. This is the PowerPoint template, and all this data comes from this template, this sample template. So you see serial number 1 2 3 4 to 35. This denotes the block number or card number. So serial number 1, this means card number 1, and the value for the card number 1 is this value, text, rectangular text, cow. This is the note, this is the image of card number 1. Okay, same card number for the value, all the values for card number 2 is this row, okay. This is the fourth block data. This is the fourth block data. And you can see, so this is the corresponding column of Excel sheet. In your case this is not present in your case. So in your case this, so value for column, this will be column B, and this will be column C, okay. This will be D, this will be E, and this is F. So you can get an idea. This is the actual sample file. So you have to put all your data similar this Excel sheet, okay. So after fill up with data in this Excel sheet, now go to template. This is the Excel template, this is the PowerPoint template, and you see there is a two text box 1 and text box 2. If you want to edit this line, you can direct edit from here, okay. So select this, and now you can edit. If you want to change the font size or a font style, simply select, this is selected already, and Ctrl A to select all text, and from here you can change the font size. Same for disclaimer text box also. Select this box, Ctrl A, select, and you can change the font size, okay, font color, everything. Now I will show you how to import data in this template to generate video. And you see there is a two slide 1 and slide 2, okay. Now first step is you have to activate the developer menu. This is developer menu. For your case this might be not here. So how can activate this developer menu? Go to file, option, customize ribbon, and here this is developer. In your case this is not checked, so checked it and press OK. So then it will be here main menu. So go to developer menu and go to macros. I already embedded the VBA code, Visual Basic Code, so you don't need to copy and paste, okay. You don't do nothing, okay. So click macros, and here is add data to block, step 1. Add data to block, step 1. Select it and run this. then it will asking you to select or browse the data Excel file from your computer. That means your Excel file where you put all your data. Okay, and I am keep it in desktop. This is the file, reverse order. So this order will be reversed. Select and press OK. It will take 30 seconds, and when it completes it display message. So wait for this message. Okay, it will running. Now it fetching all data from Excel sheet to this PowerPoint presentation template. Okay, the message display all data updated successfully. Okay, so now you can see the changes. There is in starting 100, 200. Now it is reversing order. So if you run this, you definitely see the order is reversed. So 35, 34, 33, 32 and so on. Now I will show one thing. Okay, so now how you can add the audio file. Okay, so audio file inserted only in the second slide. Minimize it. So this is the audio file I already inserted. So if you want to change the audio file, so first delete this file. So select it and press delete. So it will delete. Now you want to add your own audio file. So keep in mind you have to insert the audio file in slide 2. So I am in slide 2. Go to insert and here audio on my PC. Audio on my PC, and I already keep the audio file in my desktop. So this is the audio file and insert. So I inserted audio file, then drag this the left side. Okay, so now you required a audio file. Keep me note down. You note down. You require a audio file 2 minutes 37 seconds. Okay, for this 35 blocks for proper using. Okay, so trim audio. This is the audio file. This is the audio file length of 3 minutes 33 seconds, but I need 2 minutes 37. So 2 minutes 37 seconds. 37. Okay, 36. 2 minutes 37 seconds. Okay, now it's okay. So I already trim it. Now fade in value, give them 7 and 10. Okay, volume medium. Start sequence automatically. Play across slide. Hide during show. The main part is now you hit the play in background, and after hitting the play in background you see loop until stop is checked and unchecked it. This is the vital. Unchecked it. Now you run the presentation, and the presentation will run with your new audio. This is your new audio. Okay, now you see the end of the presentation. You see this is the questions. These questions actually come from the Excel sheet. these questions when you asking your subscriber about the videos. These questions appear in the last of the in outer part. So these questions come from the Excel sheet, this portion, questions at the end of the presentation. So if you want to change the questions or edit the question, you can do from here. Okay, don't save. So this is the videos. Thank you.